second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in.
Yeah.
Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
You want to bring the party to every fight? Mr. Fun Guy is the weapon for you. Make sure to tell your friends now.
Hello? It is now a crime to disagree with
That sounds like a club, all right.
anything. And then category of crime, which means carry on. Remember, drinks are half price with your Club Nefarious membership card.
Come on, Phantom, where are you? Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Fluffy.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine.
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe! First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission!
I'm Ratchet. I heard you.
No names! You gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the...
Ah! Ah! Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission!
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were.
No names! You
We
gotta be
are
smarter
so
than that
lucky
if you
to
want to
have
join
such
the
a clever
Resistance,
and
new guy.
malevolent room.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
There! The resistance leads from the club.
Up here, new guy! Come on!
Ranged attack.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait! Hey, wait!
There he is! The football from the club!
Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Another resistance number! I will make the Emperor proud today! The resistance ends here! Commencing ranged attack!
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't reach what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash! Your glove handles the rest. You're a natural. Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash! Have you done this before?
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just... You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on. Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Rebellion. Watch reverse fire!
Rooftop. How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
You will regret that, Squishy.
Organic threat?
You should not be armed, Lawback.
Hold on, honey. Are you heading to the roof? You should use that rare titanium in your pockets to upgrade your arsenal first. Oh, you are getting it! Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the raritanium. See? Why settle for a good weapon when you can make it magnificent? Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape. Looks like you are out
Thanks
of
again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there! And me Zircon was never here! Need a beam that will not quit? Check out the Negatron Collider to tear through whatever you put in front of it! I cannot wait to see where this goes! Goodbye now!
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
I do so enjoy a scalding hot oil bath, is what I am programmed to say.
Another beautiful day to quash a rebellion.
So hot. Yes. I knew I should have the crab wax.
Citizens of the nefarious city, this is the voice of the resistance. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we should talk. The resistance is growing election citizens to a sick tired of diabolical retribution.
Need more ammo.
Will learn to love the Emperor.
It is time for your defeat. I hope you do not mind.
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to run? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Hey, Sugar! I forgot to mention earlier. I hit a spy bot in the factory for a resistance friend. Maybe you could pick it up.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
Bombex located.
What the yikes, yikes, yikes! Oh, wow. Oh, no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die. Ha ha ha! I do not appreciate resistance, Lombax. You will not disrupt the Emperor's vision.
Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
Take it off, Ratchet! There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console. Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seems like a nice guy.
I probably just have to delete some files, and then we'll be all set.